Today, we're comparing 10 of the best compact and rugged cameras for all kinds of action.
As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description.
The Insta360 X5 takes immersive storytelling to the next level. With 8K at 30 FPS, dual 1x1.28 sensors, and a 30mm focal length, this camera is ideal for capturing cinematic quality 360 degrees footage, whether you're traveling, hiking, or filming solo. Thanks to the triple AI chip, low-light scenes retain incredible clarity and detail, beating out most action cams on the market. Features like Instaframe mode let you easily convert 360 degrees content into traditional flat videos with AI auto tracking, saving you tons of editing time. It's waterproof up to 49 feet, includes FlowState Stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock for fully stable shots, and supports quick charging up to 80% in 20 minutes. Whether it's adventure vlogs or virtual tours, this is the most versatile cam in the 360 degrees space. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo brings pro-level performance in a compact body. Its 1x1.3 CMOS sensor with f2.8 aperture captures vibrant 4K video at 120 FPS, perfect for buttery slow motion and high-speed adventures. DJI's 4nm chip ensures blazing fast AI tracking that locks onto your subject, even in fast-paced sports. Combined with dual OLED touchscreens, you get crystal clear framing whether you're in front of the camera or behind it. Plus, with 360 degrees HorizonSteady, shaky footage becomes a thing of the past, even while snowboarding, biking, or running. It's built to last with 4-hour battery life, pro audio support via DJI Mic 2, and native waterproofing without a case. This is a workhorse for creators on the go. The GoPro HRO 13 Black Creator Edition is an all-in-one bundle designed for serious content creators. Capture up to 5.3K at 60 FPS with stunning dynamic range and detail, enhanced by Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, one of the best in the industry. What sets it apart? The Volta battery grip extends recording time to 5+ hours, and the Media Mod adds a directional mic, HDMI out, and cold shoe mounts for serious filming setups. The Light Mod ensures you're lit in low-light conditions, great for late-night vlogging or indoor shoots. It supports Bluetooth audio, live streaming, and is compatible with lens mods for anamorphic, wide-angle, and ND filter effects. Whether you're creating YouTube content, TikToks, or shooting indie projects, this kit has you covered out of the box.
What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section, and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now let's continue.
Don't let the price fool you. The AKASO Brave 8 punches well above its weight class. With 4K 60 FPS video, 48MP photos, and super smooth stabilization, it rivals far more expensive cams in video quality. Its unique quad-pixel tech and 9-layer lens array help it shoot surprisingly detailed imagery. Dive ready out of the box with 33 feet waterproofing. It can go up to 196 feet with a waterproof case. Add an 8K time-lapse, 16x slow motion, and a visual remote control, and you've got a feature-packed unit for a fraction of the cost. Plus, AKASO includes 2 batteries and a complete accessories kit compatible with GoPro mounts. Great for cyclists, skaters, and divers alike. Rounding things out is the DJI 4K Action camera, a budget-friendly pick that still delivers solid performance. Shoot in 4K 30 FPS, or slow it down with 720p at 240 FPS. It's powered by a Sony IMX377 sensor and dual-core Emerald A9 chip, offering decent low light and stabilization by eyes. Its 2.2 Gorilla Glass touchscreen is intuitive and durable, and with voice control, you can shoot hands-free. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth allow for live streaming and quick sharing via the e-app. For under $150, it's the best choice for hobbyists or anyone just getting into action cameras without breaking the bank. The Insta360 Go 3 CMOS, a camera so small it can fit in your pocket, but it delivers stunning 4K footage. At just 1.4 ounces, it's perfect for anyone who wants high-quality video without the bulk. You get a powerful chip that supports high-definition video and a new wide-angle lens for ultra-wide shots with minimal distortion. This tiny camera packs features like FlowState Stabilization and Horizon Lock, ensuring smooth, gimbal-like shots no matter the action. The Action Pod makes shooting a breeze. It's got a 2.2-inch flip screen, remote control capabilities, and you can even charge the camera while shooting. Plus, with 140 minutes of battery life, it's ready for your longest days. For a camera this small, the Insta360 Go 3 CMOS offers one of the best AI-powered editing tools. Just hit Auto Edit, and it'll sync your clips to music with the perfect timing. Next, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4. It's perfect for adventurers who need stunning image quality, even in tough conditions. Equipped with a large 1x1.3-inch sensor, this camera excels at low-light performance, capturing every detail from dawn to dusk. With 4K video at 120 FPS, ultra-wide FOV, and the ability to slow down action with mesmerizing slow-mo footage, it's built for high-speed sports like biking, surfing, and skating. Even in freezing temperatures, you'll get up to 160 minutes of non-stop recording. Whether you're on the slopes or the beach, this camera handles extreme environments. The magnetic quick-release mounts make it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical perspectives in seconds, perfect for vlogging or multi-angle shots. If you want to capture smooth, stable footage, the DJI Osmo Action 4 offers 3 stabilization modes, plus support for external microphones like the DJI Mic 2 for clear audio capture. Now, for the true adventurers, introducing the Olympus TG7. If you're after a camera that can endure any harsh environment, this is the one. Shockproof, waterproof, freeze-proof, and crush-proof, this camera can take a beating. It's built for everything from extreme underwater expeditions to mountain treks. It shoots 4K video and comes with advanced features like panorama and high-speed movie modes for creative filming. Weighing just 249 g, the TG7 is lighter than its predecessors and delivers the same toughness, making it easy to take on any adventure. What's really cool is the variable macro system, which lets you capture close-up shots of tiny creatures or intricate details, even underwater. It's a great feature for wildlife photographers or macro enthusiasts. For those who demand cinematic quality in an ultra-compact form, the Sony RX02 is a top choice. This camera packs a powerful 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, perfect for low-light scenarios, and offers stunning 4K video. The Zeiss 24mm lens is perfect for wide-angle shots with minimal distortion, giving your footage a professional feel. Plus, the RX02 offers super fast readout speeds, ideal for high-speed action. 4K video comes out crisp, smooth, and with exceptional depth, thanks to full pixel readout. Plus, electronic image stabilization ensures steady shots, no matter how shaky your hands may be. If you're a vlogger or content creator, the RX02's flip-up screen and compact design make it perfect for on-the-go filming. The added bundle of a shooting grip and 128 GB SD card makes it a solid option for those serious about portability and video quality. And for those looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable action camera, the Shucam C200 Mini is the perfect entry-level choice. Despite its compact size and lightweight build, the C200 still offers 4K resolution and 6-axis stabilization, ensuring your footage stays smooth during high-intensity activities like biking or swimming. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, the C200 is built for underwater sports like snorkeling or surfing. Without the case, it's waterproof up to 5 meters, and with it, you can dive up to 40 meters deep. You'll also love the accessories. It comes with mounts for helmets, bikes, and more, making it easy to customize the setup to your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews.